The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, relay, bulb, connecting wires and connecting cable. Let me show you how to connect the bulb with the relay. So connect one end of the wire from the bulb directly to this 2-pin and connect the other end of the bulb and also the other end of the 2-pin to the relay. The other end of the relay connection I will show in the circuit connection. Now let us set up the AWS IoT Core. Go to Google and search AWS IoT Core and click on this link. So here click sign in to the console and then select root user and enter the email address and then enter the password and click on sign in button. Now we need to select the IoT Core services. So you can see here under recently visited. So if you are not able to see here, so go to services and select all services. Here you can search for IoT Core and you will get this. So click on this. Now click all devices, expand this one and select things. Here click create things. You can either click here or click here. Here we need to select create single thing and then select next button. So here we need to enter a thing name. I am giving the name as home_automation. Here select no shadow and click next button. And here we can generate the certificates automatically. So that is a recommended one. And again click on the next button. Now we need to create a policy. So click this create policy button. And we need to give a policy name. We can give the name as automation_policy. And here select allow and policy action we need to select IoT connect and policy resource just enter star. Then again click add new statement and here we need to select IoT receive and again enter a star here and then third one we need to select IoT subscribe. Now click create button. Now the policy is created. Close this window. So we can see the policy here. So select this policy and then click create thing. Now we need to download the certificates. So first one is the device certificate. Click on this download button. So download here and rename the certificate name to device certificate. And now download the public key file. So that also we need to rename public key. And then download the private key file. So rename this to private key. So then download the root CA certificates. We need to download this Amazon Trust Services Endpoint certificate. So click download here, save. Now click done. Now we can see the program. So here we need to download and install two libraries, Wi-Fi client secure, publish subscribe client library. So I will paste the link of these libraries in the video description. So download this library as a zip file, extract this one and paste under documents Arduino libraries. Here we need to paste that libraries. Now we have a secrets file. So here we need to enter the thing name, Wi-Fi username, Wi-Fi password and endpoint name. So our thing name is home automation. So copy this and paste here. Now we need to enter the Wi-Fi username, Wi-Fi password, endpoint name and the certificates. So let's enter the Wi-Fi username and password first. So to get the endpoint, go to AWS IoT Core page and here click settings. Here you can see endpoint. Just click on this icon and the endpoint will be copied and paste here. Now we need to copy paste the certificates. First we need to copy the Amazon root CA. Go back to your folder, copy this one and paste here. The next one is the device certificate. So copy the device certificate and paste under device certificates. And the final one is the private key. Copy the private key and paste here. Now the program is completed. Now we need to upload the program to the ESP32 board. So select the board from tools, board ESP32 Arduino and select ESP32 dev module and then select the port. And now click this arrow button and upload the program to the ESP32 board. Now the program is uploaded successfully to the ESP32 board and we can check the output. To check the output, go back to AWS IoT Core and select MQTT test client. And here click on publish to a topic and here we need to enter the topic name. So our topic name is ESP32/Lite1. This is our topic name. Copy this and paste here. Now we need to pass the value. So if you pass the value as 1, so the light will on, and if you pass 0, the light will off. Status 1 and click on this publish button. We can see the output in the serial monitor as well. Now let's publish this one. And you can see light 1 is on. Now I am passing 0. It will show light is off.